Here we are asked to find the values of x and y if 2 raised to the power 2x minus 3y equals to 32 and log x base y equals to 2. We are asked to find the values of x and y. Yes. So the concept here is very simple. There is a past question, was. So firstly, we consider this. Let's say we consider solution, right? We consider 2 raised to the power 2x minus 3y equals to 32, right? So 2 raised to the power 2x minus 3y equals to 32 here could be expressed in terms of index as what? 2 raised to the power 5. That is the first step you need to do in order to have the same base as this one. So after this point, you said what? 2x minus 3y equals to 5 as what? Equation 1. So you also consider log x base y equals to 2. According to the definition of logarithm, you say x equals to y raised to the power 2. This two will act as a power now. So there is what? Equation 2. So you put this equation into what? Into 1. How? So if we have 2x, don't write x again, but you write what? Y square, because x equals to what? Y square. Then you write minus 3y equals to 5. So there is what? A quadratic. 2y square minus 3y minus 5 equals to 0. When you multiply this, it will give us minus 10y square. So we find the factors here. Am I communicating? The factors. So we say 2y square. If we say 2 times 5, it will give us what? 10. Right? 2 times 5 is 10. So we say plus 2y. These two should have what? The plus. Then you say minus 5y minus 5 equals to 0. We group them, 2 brackets. So we have 2y into y. 2y into y is what? Y plus. How many 2y can enter into 2y is what? 1. Minus. What is the common factor here is what? Is 5. 5 into 5y is what? Is what? Y. Minus times minus is plus. How many 5 can enter into 5? 1 times equals to 0. So thank God the brackets, they are common. So you say 2y minus 5. Then you take one bracket, y plus 1 equals to 0. Now we take this one and equate it to 0, right? So we say 2y minus 5 equals to 0. So 2y is equals to 0, it transpose plus 5. 2y is equals to 5, divided by 2. So y is equals to 5 upon 2. Then you say y plus 1 equals to 0. Y is equals to 0 minus 1, it transpose, y is equals to minus 1. So we have got the values for y, right? We have y is equals to 5 upon 2 and minus 1. But we have x as what? X equals to y. X equals to what? Y square. So we say x equals to the first value for y is what? Is 5 upon 2. But it has what? A square raised to the power 2. So this will give us 25 divided by 4. Because 5 raised to the power 2 is 25. 2 raised to the power 2 is what? 4. Right? So the next value for y is minus 1. So x equals to minus 1 all raised to the power 2. So minus 1 times minus 1 is what? 1. So therefore, x equals to what? 1. Therefore, the values for x and y are, we have 25 upon 4, comma, y. And the values for y are 5 upon 2 comma minus 1.